The video shares insights on SEO fundamentals with a focus on implementation, demonstrating that even a successful 8-figure business adheres to clear and uncomplicated SEO strategies. The lessons are designed to help increase site traffic through SEO strategies, based on Ahrefs' model, which attracts over 1 million monthly visits from Google search. The course is divided into 4 modules: keyword research, on-page SEO, link building, and technical SEO, plus an introductory SEO 101 lesson. SEO is defined as the process of optimizing content to be discovered through a search engine's organic search results. SEO is an ideal marketing medium due to its nature of providing free, consistent, and broad-reaching traffic. This could explain why almost 4 billion internet users are active on Google. Google works through 2 main processes: crawling and indexation, which helps Google to discover web pages and create their search index. The other is Google's ranking algorithm, which uses various signals to determine the order of search results. Google uses crawlers, also known as spiders, to gather publicly available information from all over the web, resulting in a massive data pool used to index search results. Backlinks are crucial in SEO as they act as votes of credibility. The more credible votes a page gets, the higher the trust level. The video highlights the importance of matching search intent. That is, understanding what users are looking for and ensuring your content fulfills their needs to improve SEO ranking. Content depth is essential. It's crucial to provide context and thorough responses to searchers' queries, but depth does not always imply length. Keywords are the foundation of SEO as they're the words and phrases people type into search engines. The goal of SEO is to rank pages for these exact keywords. Traffic potential is introduced as a metric more reliable than search volume. It represents the total search traffic you could get if you were to rank at the top for your keyword. A 3-point checklist is suggested to determine search intent: content type, content format, and content angle. Assessing ranking difficulty is recommended to ensure predictable SEO results. Mastering this process will be focused on in a later lesson. Keyword research tools assist in finding keywords that people are inputting into search engines, revealing keyword search volume, difficulty scores, and other important SEO metrics. Using filters and metrics in keyword research tools can help narrow down a list of keyword ideas to those with significant search volume and traffic potential. Checking traffic potential of a keyword topic can be done by looking at the top ranking pages and evaluating their traffic. Evaluating business potential for a keyword is crucial. It should offer value to your business and align with your offerings. Using keyword modifiers can help find relevant keywords and understand searcher intent. Investigating pages that drive the most search traffic to competitor sites can help discover additional keywords that don't include your seed keywords. Understanding the ranking difficulty for a keyword is crucial to get predictable SEO results. It involves assessing search intent, metrics of top-ranking pages, and topical authority of top-ranking websites. On-page SEO isn't about keyword stuffing or hitting a specific word count. It's about quality content that meets search intent and offers a good user experience. The primary goal of on-page SEO should be to satisfy the searcher's intent, which involves creating quality, readable content with appropriate titles, subheadings, and internal links. To rank well and draw significant traffic, a page must be optimized for search and backed by quality backlinks. Having a page rank for multiple related keywords can greatly improve its traffic. The process of on-page SEO involves creating content that satisfies the searcher's intent. This can be achieved by learning from competitors and understanding search intent. Performing a content gap analysis can help identify relevant topics and common keywords that competitors are ranking for. Key aspects of on-page SEO are using appropriate titles, descriptions, and URLs, adding internal links, optimizing images, and optimizing for readability. Internal links are useful to pass link authority to other relevant pages and help search engines understand page content better. Images can be optimized by naming image files appropriately, using descriptive alt text, and compressing images for faster load times. The primary goal should be to satisfy the searcher's intent. Technical optimization should be considered as enhancements. The process of link building is relational, involving building relationships with other relevant site owners who would link to your content because it enhances theirs. Backlinks are used by search engines like Google to rank web pages. Thus, they are critical for ranking for competitive phrases. There are 3 main strategies to get backlinks: creating them, buying them, or earning them. Of these, earning backlinks is the most effective and sustainable strategy. The harder a link is obtained, the more valuable it tends to be. Therefore, it's crucial to have a streamlined process to earn high-quality backlinks consistently. 5 key attributes make a backlink good: relevance, topical authority, link power, descriptive anchor text, and proper positioning. Backlinks should ideally come from relevant and authoritative pages, placed in the context of the web page's content. Google PageRank gives more preference to high-authority pages, which likely impact the page rankings. Hyperlink anatomy for SEO includes the destination URL, anchor text, and the rel attribute. Building numerous links with keyword-rich anchors can result in a Google penalty due to unnatural appearances. Google may sometimes pass value through nofollow, UGC, and sponsored links. Prominent links, those likely to be clicked, are believed to pass more authority and provide a better SEO impact. Relationship building, relevance, and value exchange are key to effective link building strategies. The early stage of link building involves finding potential partners and people who might link to your content. The email outreach stage involves sending pitches and emails to vetted prospects. Value exchange principles help structure effective link building tactics. Using free PR tools such as Help a Reporter Out Hero offers an easy way of building backlinks. Guest blogging can be an effective link building tactic with a solid value exchange. The blog owner gets free content and the guest gets a backlink. The skyscraper technique is a link building tactic that involves creating superior content to that of a popular post and reaching out to those who link to the original post to link to the updated content instead. Effective blogger outreach is a crucial part of link building, as nearly all link building strategies require email exchanges. A strong outreach email has a clear, non-clickbait subject line, an introduction, justification for your request, a strong pitch, and a closing line that encourages conversation. A good outreach pitch includes an ask and a value proposition, where the stronger the proposition, the higher the likelihood of the desired outcome. Relationship building is the core goal of an initial outreach email. Approaching the outreach as a conversation often leads to better results. Technical SEO is crucial in helping search engines find, understand, and index your web pages for organic ranking. Be mindful of no-index metatags, especially during site redesigns, as it can lead to your pages being removed from Google's search index. Sitemaps, which list the important URLs on your website, help search engines to more intelligently crawl your site. Redirects help to consolidate signals for search engines, ensuring that if you have multiple URLs for the same content, the signals are not diluted. The canonical tag helps resolve duplicate content issues by showing search engines the preferred URL for a page. A logically structured website helps search engines understand the relationship between pages and crawl them more efficiently. Site loading speed is a ranking factor for both desktop and mobile search in Google. Slow loading pages can reduce user experience and visibility in search results. Basic steps to improve a site's loading speed include caching content and compressing image file sizes for efficient delivery to visitors. Potential SEO errors such as broken pages, orphan pages, and duplicate content issues can occur and affect a website's SEO performance. Conducting regular website audits can help identify and rectify these potential SEO issues. Tools like RF's Site Audit Tool can scan and analyze websites for potential SEO issues, offering valuable insights and solutions. Scheduling weekly audits and enabling crawl external links options can ensure the site remains error-free and optimized for search engines. Check the description for local SEO mastery tips.